Asa magtanaw?
Ito, sa lens.
Where?
Hey everybody, it's Xana P, and I'm here with some guests. I will give them the spotlight to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Diana. Hi, I'm Kat.
Oh yeah, what's up with They are my high school friends, and we are here to do a makeup challenge. We were supposed to do. Wow, that's why. Of course. We were supposed to do a no mirror makeup challenge, but we changed it, and we are gonna do. What should we call the challenge though?
1 minute. 1 minute challenge.
1 minute challenge. We will allot 1 minute to do one step in a full face makeup routine. So let's say 1 minute for foundation, 1 minute for eyeliner, 1 minute for eyebrow. You know the drill. Yeah, sorry about our bare faces, guys, but yeah, we will try to transform in front of you, given a very limited time. Okay, so 1 minute.
Sige lang, di ko bakit.
No, sige, 1 minute. Let me just set the timer first. Wala pa!
Papa ko na mga gamit.
Okay, so we will allot 1 minute per 1 minute per step. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you will hear the sound of the alarm anyway. So 1 minute first for the foundation. Let's introduce our products. I'm gonna use for blonde color stay in natural beige.
Yeah,
And
same.
Diana's gonna use the same product, and
I'm using the Graftobian palette.
pwede magbutanaan sa kamot.
Gani.
Kasi magbutan na sa daan. Sticky good kayo ni
Bitaw. Mix pa ko.
Pro kayo ang isa o
Gani.
mag-mix pa.
So, manay paint. Hindi ka te.
So nag-mix pa ang Graftobian. Graftobian! Are you ready? Is your
Yes,
Graftobian ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me just start. I don't know where.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm nervous actually.
Ako mo lang.
Whatever. Okay.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Wow, lahingahay, bye.
1 minute lang yun. Di ba na extend? 36 seconds na.
So meaning, mahuman na siya. Ako rin mag-yun.
Wala nang galing.
I need more. Ayaw kay contour na. 3, 2, oh my God! Stop. Wow, Graftobian! Guwapo bito!
As in, no?
Guwapo na Graftobian, no?
Graftobian,
Pero artist na ka. Wow! Graftobian! Naman yung kay baka mama, oh! Baka mama.
Pag ano pag ito
We're gonna do our contour. I'm just gonna use a contour powder. This is from Morphe 9C. Oh, and somebody's calling.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna use the Bahama.
Contour and highlight. So we change it. It's contour and highlight to make it more challenging because
Are you prepping your
you might be sitting right there watching us and you're like, that's so easy to do. 3, 2, 1, go. Look! 39 seconds.
Oh my God! Basta Lord.
19. Time check, 19 seconds.
Huh? Left?
19 seconds left. 12 seconds left.
Oh my God! For real?
Is it real? Is it real?
Oh my God, ako nasumpa.
Kasi,
Sobra yata, friend.
o diba? Bahala na sobra, hayag bitaw. Okay, so now it's time for the kilay, the most dreaded part, and we kind of cheated a little because we already have our outline.
Not me.
Yeah, she's an expert, so she can do it. Oh, and if you watch my past videos, she was in one of my videos. She's also a Beauty Bound Asia finalist. Yeah, in the Philippines, so yeah, that's why she looks familiar, guys. That's why she's using Pro thing.
She's your neighbor, guys.
She's from Manila, she's a Manila girl. I'm using Ever Balena, like the standard brown pencil.
So I'm using the baby version.
Yeah.
It's actually
They're
the
like
same,
the same
but
things. And you also have Intuit. You like Intuit?
no, I just tried this.
Oh, it's brand new. And your
I'm
pencil?
using this one from Big Shop. It's actually hers.
Okay.
I'm gonna share this to you.
Yeah, you can just
I don't
share
think
it.
you can. Exactly.
Evil. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna start with our kilay in 3, 2, wait. 1, go! Oh, 8 seconds! Pag mascara pa ko, dito lang. Supply. 2, 1, 6. Balikas. May nago sa gana. Bahama.
So loud.
Stop and stare at the camera. At this point, I will try to zoom in. Yeah, sa editing. Sige na. Smile. Kilay after 1 minute is the next. Eyeshadow?
Pantay ba? But pantay or not?
I'm using my Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro 2. And she is using...
The same but of the shades.
It's Pro 1. She's using Pro 1.
I'm using
Jojo eyeshadow palette.
Jojo, the one who sang. Just leave, get out.
Yeah. So 1 minute for that. Okay, are you guys are you ready? Expert guy. Ano, so composed.
YOLO.
Queer.
Smoky.
Ready? Start. Five seconds.
Just go.
Wala pag di ko naka-blend. Wala na di pag-asa sa buhay. Done.
Hindi mo pag ikaw ko na-blend, ang kanang sobra. Kumata na mo, nag-sumba ka rin gawa pa naman.
Eyeliner mascara. I'm using the K palette One Day Tattoo, but I don't really recommend this. It's not really long lasting, and it's not super dark. It's not super black. You are using
I'm using Rimmel Scandal Eyes. You can fit eyeliner.
okay, and you are using
I'm using Max Vegas
Cherry Moya.
Okay.
Okay, so my computer died, but anyways, we're gonna do our eyeliner now. 1 minute on the clock. Starts now. Ang copy. 34. 6.
6 seconds.
Stop! Stop! Okay, pose for the camera again. Eyeline. Look down, and look up. And I'm gonna use any of the blush from my Makeup Revolution Hot Spice palette, and we will also do our highlight, like the shimmery highlight. You know, we will share them and as our sisters. Use a blush. What blush are you using? Cool Rum. That's nice. That's a nice shade. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Blush is generally easy to use though. Good. Don't forget to highlight your nose, girls. Diana doesn't need it though.
Yeah.
Done.
That sound. I'm starting to hate it too.
Pretty much we have colors on their faces now. Ganyan kayo ba? Oh, by the way, we forgot to mention, we're flower girls today.
Yeah. If it's not very obvious.
Yeah, we're the flower girls. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the shade Indoor from the BH Cosmetics, and you are?
I don't know which one. Here. Clara.
Clara. That's actually my favorite shade.
Oh, mine is Serena.
Serena. That's actually one of my hated shades. Ready? Go. Wow. They're really good. It's good on you. That's really my favorite shade. Done.
I like it.
These are our lips. They're quite good. They did a good job.
I like it.
Nice na. Give her a shake.
Mag-dry siya. Ito no, maganda nag-dry siya.
But I think Serena is like drier than the rest of the lip colors, but it looks nice on you. The crash course, basically you get the eyelashes, you put glue, and then you put it on your eyelashes. That's the crash course I'm talking about. It's a rocket science. It will stick because my glue is nice.
Mag-selfie sagad ka.
So you ask me, what if it hindi siya magpilit? I'm quite confident with my glue. I'm using a very expensive glue eyelash fix from Daiso. 88 pesos. It was recommended to me by a makeup artist in Davao City. Her name is Cookie. I'm not sure if you watch me, Cookie, but thank you for your recommendation. It's really nice.
I have
2
had to
minutes.
fix my eyes.
Oh wow. Always like that. Showing kayo.
Vicious luck.
Yeah, wish us luck.
Bye.
And time starts now.
Let's go. How do I
You're
do
doing it or... Okay na, dali lang siya. Dali lang siya. Hindi siya kailangan itapin.
Oh my god, this is like so cloudy. I can't see the world.
And I also put too much glue on mine. Damn it.
Just go.
I'm panicking, obviously.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, mine looks horrible. Very horrible.
Mine too. Don't make me laugh. I guess
Yeah.
I won the challenge.
Time.
I guess I won the challenge.
Wow, sila!
Diyos ko na yung mga puti-puti. Wala po man.
Selfie ka.
Hindi ko ka ba na ano tayo
Oh, Diana did a good job. Oh. We will just fix our hair the way we want to, and then I will play our glamour shots. Here's our final look. Yeah.
Isa naman akong pilo. Isa naman akong pilo.
Anyways, yeah, this is our final look. Yeah, what do you think? We're kind of an expert. Yeah, especially me. You.
Especially I think my face is so white compared to my neck.
That's okay because you only got a minute to put your foundation. But yeah, I hope you had fun watching this video. If you like watching videos like this, don't forget to click the
Subscribe.
Obviously, they don't watch my videos. The thumbs up button.
Of course,
like this video.
of course I watch.
Yeah, and subscribe to my channel. She is also a YouTuber.
No! I'm going to turn over a new leaf.
Wow. Yeah, but watch out for her channel too.
And this is her.
Even if she only has one eyelash. One eyelash is not proper.
I
but
still have rights. Even though I
Yeah.
only have one eyelash.
Yeah. I think they will be my regular guests because they like wasting their time with me. So
It's fun.
hang out with me, with us, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!